Hello, in today's episode I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to make some delicious yeast-free flatbreads perfect for numerous meals and dishes. I can't take credit for the recipe unfortunately, as it really was a case of following RecipeTinEats. I'll link in the description. As with most baking recipes, it's often extremely important to follow each one to the letter. Firstly, we're going to start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which is approximately 240 grams, but this varies depending on where you read. So I will state the importance of actually owning a set of measuring cups, particularly in the UK. It really makes copying and tweaking recipes from other parts of the world so much easier. To the flour, we're also going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to get 3/4 cup of milk, 50 grams of butter, melt it, add it to the flour, and then initially we're going to use a fork to mix the ingredients. However, when kneading, I am a little old-fashioned and I like to feel my way around the dough. Start by kneading the dough in the bowl until all the flour has been removed from the edge of the bowl and you have a nice, firmish dough ball. Then on the counter, we're going to knead this further. There we have a nice little round dough ball. It's already springy to the touch. We're going to knead further using a heart-like motion, up, left, back, and then up, right and back until the dough has a spring to the touch. There's a slight wet feel to the surface, although this is not sticky. And there we go, many faceless hands helping out and enjoying kneading the dough. So after a few minutes, the dough's ready. We're going to place it in a bowl, wrap it in cling film and leave to rest for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. After the dough is rested, we divide it into 8 equal sized pieces before taking each piece and forming a small dough ball. We can leave these to rest for an additional 10 minutes to proof. From the counter, we're going to take a ball and flatten. Usually with the palm of a hand if you want. I did just use the rolling pin because I kind of know where I'm going. We're going to gently roll it out, working in a circular motion around the dough to form an almost perfect circular flatbread. Another method that we could use to ensure the counter is sufficiently floured is to move the dough in a clockwise motion, step by step, ensuring you roll out after every movement. We're then going to heat about 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan, and we're going to get our flatbread and gently place this into the pan and allow it to cook on a medium heat. When the top side starts to bubble, we're going to flip it and repeat the process on the other side till both sides are nice and bubbly and starting to brown. You may wish to flip it over to the other side, which I did, if your first side hasn't browned completely. However, we don't want to overcook it. We want it to be nice and foldable with ease without breaking. And there you have it, delicious flatbread, great as a snack or served with curry or, well, tune into the next episode to see what this batch has been used for. Thank you very much for watching. If you're on Facebook, please feel free to comment, share, save or follow the page. Remember, my videos appear first on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe over there. If you're on YouTube, please leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, grab a friend, get them to subscribe and make sure you hit that notification button to see more weekly videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Stay healthy and see you next episode.